chip begins far from the factory floor, rooted in carefully cultivated fields, where timing, soil,
Harvested at peak maturity, these potatoes begin their transformation the moment they arrive, where precision handling ensures
Advanced sorting systems remove imperfections with remarkable accuracy, ensuring only the highest quality potatoes continue forward in the process.
Before processing can begin, every potato undergoes an intensive cleaning cycle, removing soil and impurities through powerful.
A final inspection ensures each potato meets strict standards, combining human expertise with machine precision to maintain flawless consistency.
With preparation complete, the potatoes are carefully broken down, setting the stage for a transformation that will ultimately.
As the prepared potatoes advance, they are refined into a uniform base, a critical step that ensures every chip begins with identical composition.
Carefully measured ingredients are introduced to transform the mash into a workable dough, balancing texture and structure with scientific precision. Through controlled mixing, the slurry reaches a precise consistency, engineered to deliver the signature texture that defines every Pringles chip.
Advanced monitoring systems ensure that every batch meets exact specifications, maintaining consistency across millions of chips produced daily. Once perfected, the slurry moves forward without delay, flowing seamlessly into the next stage. Now refined into a uniform base, the slurry is carefully laid out, ready to be shaped into the iconic form recognized around the world.
From fluid consistency to structured form, the transformation begins as the slurry is compressed into a continuous sheet with exacting precision.
Uniformity is critical at this stage, where even the slightest variation could affect the final chip's texture and cooking performance.
Advanced calibration systems continuously fine-tune the process, ensuring every sheet meets strict dimensional standards without slowing production.
With structure established, the sheet advances toward cutting systems, engineered to produce identical shapes at remarkable speed.
Precision cutting defines the identity of each chip, ensuring consistency not just in taste, but in the instantly recognizable form.
Efficiency is built into every step, as unused material is immediately recycled, maintaining sustainability without interrupting the production flow.
Now precisely cut and aligned, the chips move forward, ready to take on the distinctive shape that sets them apart from all others.
As the flat shapes advance, they are carefully guided into specialized molds, where engineering precision begins to define their iconic curvature.
This defining moment shapes each chip into its unmistakable form, ensuring structural integrity and the perfect stacking design. The shaping process is seamlessly integrated into the production flow, maintaining speed and precision as each chip progresses forward.
Once formed, the chips are released with exact timing, preserving their structure as they move toward the critical cooking phase.
Uniformity is now fully realized, with each chip identical in form, ready to undergo the transformation that will define its taste and texture. Before cooking begins, advanced systems verify that every chip meets exact shape specifications, maintaining the brand's signature consistency. With shape perfected and verified, the chips advance directly into the frying stage, where heat and timing will bring them to life.
With structure finalized, the chips enter a carefully controlled frying environment, where temperature and timing become critical to achieving the perfect texture. Submerged in precisely heated oil, each chip is carefully stabilized to preserve its iconic curvature while undergoing rapid transformation. As moisture evaporates, the chips develop their signature crispness, with each second of frying precisely controlled to ensure uniform results.
Color becomes an indicator of perfection, as each chip reaches the exact shade that signals ideal cooking conditions.
Once the ideal texture is achieved, the chips are lifted from the oil, allowing excess to drain away while preserving their crisp structure. Carefully controlled airflow removes excess oil and begins the cooling process, preparing the chips for the next stage without compromising quality.
Now perfectly fried and crisp, the chips move forward in flawless formation, ready to receive the flavors that define their final identity. With frying complete, the chips immediately enter the flavoring stage, where timing and motion ensure every surface is evenly coated.
Advanced dispensing systems release exact quantities of flavor, ensuring consistency across millions of chips with every rotation. The chip's surface is engineered to capture flavor, allowing each particle to adhere evenly and create a balanced taste in every bite. Real-time monitoring systems constantly adjust the process, ensuring that every batch meets precise flavor standards without interruption. Once fully coated, the chips emerge with their signature flavor profile, visually and texturally consistent across every piece. Final refinement removes any excess, leaving only the perfect balance of seasoning that defines the Pringles experience.
With flavor locked in, the chips move forward in perfect alignment, ready for final inspection. And the flavoring is completed, every chip enters a critical inspection phase, where advanced imaging systems evaluate quality at remarkable speed and precision.
Each chip is examined for exact shape, uniform color, and flawless coating, ensuring that only those meeting strict standards continue forward.
Milliseconds, any deviation is corrected, as imperfect chips are automatically removed, without disrupting the continuous production flow.
Behind the automation, human expertise ensures that every parameter remains within exact limits, maintaining the highest standards of quality.
Beyond appearance, each chip is measured for consistency, ensuring uniform weight and structure across every batch.
A final visual check confirms the perfect balance of texture and flavor, capturing the defining characteristics of every Pringles chip.
With inspection complete, only the finest chips continue forward, ready to be stacked with precision into their iconic form.
After passing strict inspection, each chip enters a precise alignment system designed to prepare them for perfectly uniform stacking. Careful channeling ensures every chip is positioned with exact spacing, creating the foundation for flawless stacking.
Precision robotics take over, stacking each chip with exact timing to preserve alignment and maintain structural consistency.
Signature stacking design emerges, with each chip fitting seamlessly into the next, creating a compact and uniform structure. Across the production line, countless stacks are formed simultaneously, each identical in height and alignment. Once complete, the stacks are transferred with care, preserving their structure as they move toward the final packaging stage. Now fully formed and aligned, the stacks advance toward packaging, where they will be sealed and prepared for distribution worldwide.
With stacking complete, the chips move directly into packaging, where timing and precision ensure every canister is filled with perfect uniformity.
Each canister is introduced with precise timing, designed to match the flow of production without interruption.
Delicate handling ensures that every stack is placed inside its canister intact, preserving the structure that defines the Pringles experience. At scale, the process operates with remarkable efficiency, filling thousands of canisters with consistent precision every minute. Once filled, each canister continues forward in perfect formation, maintaining the precision established throughout the entire process.
Advanced systems verify that every canister meets exact fill standards, ensuring consistency in every package. With packaging complete, the filled canisters move forward, ready to be sealed and finalized for distribution.
With each canister precisely filled, the next step ensures freshness is preserved through airtight sealing, a critical moment in the production journey.
Each seal is applied with precision, locking in flavor and crispness while protecting the chips from external elements.
A protective lid completes the packaging, ensuring durability and convenience for consumers worldwide. Brand identity is applied with precision, transforming each container into a recognizable product ready for the global market.
Every detail is verified, ensuring that each package meets exact visual and branding standards before leaving the production line.
A final inspection guarantees that each canister meets strict quality requirements, completing the packaging process with absolute precision.
Now fully sealed and labeled, the finished product moves forward, ready to be packed and shipped to markets around the world. With packaging complete, the journey continues as each canister is grouped and prepared for large-scale distribution across global markets.
Automation ensures efficiency at scale, forming and sealing shipping boxes with speed and precision to meet global demand. Each shipment is digitally tracked, with labeling systems ensuring traceability and accuracy throughout the supply chain.
Robotic systems organize shipments into stable pallet loads, optimizing space and ensuring safe transportation. Protective wrapping secures each pallet, safeguarding the product as it moves through complex logistics networks.
Inside vast distribution centers, logistics systems coordinate the movement of goods with precision and efficiency. From warehouse to transport, each shipment is carefully loaded, ready to begin its journey across regions and continents. From carefully fields to global markets, every step of the journey comes together.